The weekly code quiz. What element is used to indicate a table? The table element. The entire contents of the table is enclosed by the table opening tag and the table closing tag. What element is used to indicate a table cell? The TD element. TD opening tag, table cell contents, TD closing tag. Why is the TD element used to represent a table cell? TD stands for table data. How would we indicate table cells that are part of the same row in a table? We enclose the TD elements within a TR element. So if our row consists of 3 cells, it would look like this. TR opening tag, TD opening tag, cell 1 data, TD closing tag, TD opening tag, cell 2 data, TD closing tag, TD opening tag, cell 3 data, TD closing tag, TR closing tag. They will align horizontally. What would be the code if we add a second row of 3 table cells? Now we have a second TR element with 3 table data elements enclosed for cell 4, 5, and 6 data. What did we forget in our code? The table element encloses all our TR and TD elements. Table opening tag, TR opening tag, TD cell data 1, TD, TD cell data 2, NTD, TD cell data 3, NTD, NTR, TR opening tag, TD cell data 4, NTD, TD cell data 5, NTD, TD cell data 6, NTD, NTR, table closing tag. How would this display? Cell data 1, cell data 2, and cell data 3 align horizontally, while cell data 4, cell data 5, and cell data 6 align horizontally. There are 3 columns. The first column consists of cell data 1 and cell data 4. The second column consists of cell data 2 and cell data 5. And the third column consists of cell data 3 and cell data 6. Presented by Designers Learn Code.